Why don't we stop for a bite to eat?
Sounds good. There's a place up ahead. Where's a good place to park?
The color of the curb is important. White is for loading or unloading passengers. Yellow is for loading passengers or freight. Green is for limited time parking. Blue is only for persons with a disabled placard or license plate. Red is no parking or stopping anytime. Don't park if there is a no parking sign, in front of a fire hydrant, in an intersection, on a crosswalk, a sidewalk, in front of a driveway, near a railroad track, or on the wrong side of the street.
Oh, finally. Here's a spot. I thought we'd never find one.
But remember, you are parking on a hill. To be sure your car doesn't roll into the street if the brakes fail or someone hits you, follow these rules. If you're going downhill, turn your front wheels into the curb or toward the side of the road. If you're going uphill, turn the front wheels away from the curb and roll back until the wheels gently touch the curb. If there is no curb, whether you're parking uphill or downhill, turn your wheels so the car will roll away from the center of the road. Always set the brake.